Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is cooperative. It is pronounced co-op-er-rative and is spelt C-O-O-P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. Don't forget the double O. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule, where at weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now back to today's word. Cooperative is an adjective that means involving mutual assistance in working towards a common goal. It's often used to describe people or groups who are willing to work together and help each other. For example, you could say, the children were cooperative when it came to tidying up their toys, or the team members worked in a cooperative manner to finish the project on time. The word cooperative comes from the Latin words co, meaning together, and operare, meaning to work. In the story of the ant and the grasshopper, the ants are cooperative and hard-working, gathering food for the winter while the grasshopper plays. Their cooperative spirit ensures their survival during the harsh winter months. Synonyms for cooperative include helpful, collaborative, accommodating, and supportive. Antonyms for cooperative include uncooperative, unhelpful, obstructive, and resistant. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, cooperative. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.